Hey y'all, I'm here in my bathroom and I'm about to clean it. I've been wanting to do Clean Mama from cleanmama.com. I've been wanting to start her home cleaning routine, and Mondays she cleans the bathroom. There are a few other dailies that you need to tend to, but I'll go over that later. I'm just gonna clean my bathroom. I'm gonna start with the master one. We have a hallway bath and an upstairs bath, which nobody ever uses, but I'm gonna try to clean all three of them today on Monday, and I'm gonna try to stay on the routine. A lot of times I get bogged down cleaning because I wanna start doing a thorough deep clean, when really I just need to stay on task and do a surface clean, get it done, and that way I can move on to other things. But I am gonna use Clorox wipes, which I love, and I'm also gonna use this. I might use a squeegee for the shower glass, and I'm gonna use the Clorox wand for the toilet, and maybe some toilet bowl cleaner also. But I just wanted to bring you guys along, and hopefully it'll help me stay accountable. I also wanted to mention that I have about 45 minutes before I have to go pick up my two oldest kids from preschool. So I'm just gonna see how much I can get done in that time frame. The cleaning routine that I mentioned from cleanmama.com, she has a blog page with a bunch of free guides to keeping a clean home on a daily basis. She has several different things that you do every day. She calls those the dailies. There's 5 daily tasks, which are make beds, check floors, wipe counters, tackle clutter, and do laundry. She says do 1 load of laundry from start to finish, including putting those clothes away every day, just 1. And then weekly, she has Monday clean bathrooms, which is what I'm doing today. Tuesday is for dusting. Wednesday, vacuum. Thursday, wash floors. Friday is a catch-all day, so you get to whatever you aren't able to throughout the week. Saturday, clean sheets and towels. Sunday, just the dailies, the 5 dailies which I mentioned at the beginning. I encourage you, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. I am a stay-at-home mom of 3 very small children, so I find home cleaning to be very challenging. So I'm always looking for ways to improve what I'm in charge of here at home. But I also encourage you to go over to cleanmama.com. Becky is the founder of Clean Mama. She also has a blog, and she's active on social medias as well, but I have found her stuff to be doable. I'm trying to implement it myself, so I'm bringing you guys along with me, mainly for accountability on my part. But if you do enjoy this type of stuff, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. 33 minutes. Not perfect. Let's see. Well, let me turn the camera around. Okay, so not perfect, and my drawers and cabinets do need to be organized. But for a quick clean, trying to just get it done, not too bad. Okay, on my way to the upstairs bathroom. Like I said, hardly anyone ever uses this, so should be easy. And let's see. Alright, let's see if I can knock this one out. Done. Not perfect. Hardly anybody ever uses this bathroom, but it's done. Let me get this done. Okay, so one more bathroom. It's downstairs, hallway bathroom. Also serves as my guest bathroom. It's right next to the baby's room and the baby's napping, so I'm gonna try to be really quick and get it done really quick before I have to go to pick up his at school. Is trying to wake up, so we're just gonna call that good and be done. Wake up.